Very simple. Lie down with the hands here. We're gonna breathe in. We're gonna arch. Fully belly in. We're gonna breathe out. Very slow and gentle. You're gonna contract. Yeah? Arms next to the body. Breathe in. Arch. Breathe out. Contract. Push all the air out of your belly and out of your chest. That is really contracted your back. And the trick is to pay attention which muscles release, which muscles move when you are releasing. So release very slow back to neutral, and then breathe in again. Couple more times, keep going. This is very good for lower back pain. Keep going. Couple more times. You can always lift your hands if you want me to check on you, or just call me. Push your body against the floor when you're contracting, and release very slow, and pay attention which muscles are releasing. This movement retrains your muscle memory. And last one. Okay. Now we're gonna turn to the sides, lie down to the side, and it's also a new movement. You can lie down your head like this. I'm not sure if you can do. Can you lie down like this, Max?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so now we're going to release lower back. This is great for sciatica, lower back, hip pain. What we're going to slide our knee to the front and back. That's all. Maybe you want to look. That's it. And here you can, if you have pain, you can make it higher, but the best is 90 degrees. Then incorporate breathing. So when you slide forward, you can release the other hand here. When you slide forward, you breathe in. Full belly. When you slide back. If you have a hip pain, this is first time I did it, I was shocked. My head doesn't move. My head is completely lying on my arm. Keep going. Couple more times. You can make more 90 degrees with your legs, knees. Maybe you can feel more. Yeah. So really like this. Yes. Keep sliding and feel where do you feel it. And the slide doesn't need to be big. Everyone is different. Feel what you need. Keep sliding. Yes. Yeah. Now we're going to incorporate, we're going to open our chest we're going to hold our heads here. And we're going to go to the front, slide in. When we slide back, we're going to open here. Push your hand, whatever is good for you. We're going to do the same here. So we are opening our chest, twisting our back. This is a wonderful exercise for pain. On the neck, shoulder, upper back, lower back. So when you open, you breathe in. When you close, you breathe out. And the effort here is to not try to force too much your muscles. Keep breathing. I don't hear anybody breathing. Breathe in as you open your chest. Breathe out. And when you breathe out, you can turn your head as much as you want. Keep going. One more time. And focus on the sensations in your body and how much your range of motion is improving. Before, when I started, when I opened here, I couldn't go all the way. Now I'm completely to the other side. And slowly come back. And we're gonna sit and do the other side, the same thing. Slow sitting. And we'll do the other side. Yes. Same thing. First, we do a couple times. Rest your head on your arm. The other hand is on your hip. And we'll do a couple times just knee slides or hip slides. My head doesn't move. My head is always looking forward. Of course, it moves a little bit, but I'm not consciously turning it. So I'm just looking forward. Yes. One more. And we're going to start opening again. So you can hold your head with the other. And breathe in. Open. Breathe out. Close. Keep going. In. And try to keep your head on the ground all the time. And notice until where you can turn on the back, when you turn to the back. And then see by the end if you can turn a little bit more. Breathe in, open. Breathe out. You can always close your eyes to feel more your own body. One more time, breathe in. And very nice. Since we are here, we're gonna lie on our back. We're gonna hold our knees here a little bit. If not possible, you can just stretch your legs. Take a breath here. You can just lie down. Stretch your legs or with your knees bent like that. Whatever is comfortable for you. You can use the yoga blocks, put your knees underneath. Let's start doing some movements here. Some circles. And breathe in. You're very shy tonight. I don't hear anyone breathing. Come on, guys. Ocean breath. And the other way around. And feel which parts of your body are touching the ground. Feel the gentle massage that you're giving to your lower back. And keep breathing. Last one. Now side to side a little bit. You can put your hands on the floor if you want. And do a little bit of playing here. Either with your knees on the ground or with your knees up. Depends on what you can do. Yes. So let's go with the feet on the ground. Keep breathing. Nice, I hear a sigh there. That's a good sign. So now when you go to the side, I want you to try to lift your buttocks from the floor. Push it. Yes. And look to the opposite side of your legs. So if my legs are turning to the right, I'm looking to the left. And vice versa. and breathing. Nice. Back to the middle. Now we're gonna push. I'm gonna push my left foot and I'm gonna lift my right hip. So this is the movement. Very nice. Lift. This is very good for sciatica. Lordosis.